Dear students, today we are going to solve the questions of exercise 2.3. So, question number first is to solve the following equation and check your result. The question number 1, let us write here 3x equal to 2x plus 18. At first, we will solve this to get the value of x and then we will check the result. So let us solve this question. This is 3x, just this 2x will be transferred to this side and equal to 18. Now 3x minus 2x is x, so we got the value of x equal to 18. This is the answer. Now we have to check the result. To do this, we will take two sides. This one is the left hand side, this one is right hand side. So just write LHS. LHS is 3x. So 3x means 3 into x. So 3 into 18. It will give 56. Now we will write RHS. In the RHS, this is 2x plus 18 is given. Now just put the value here also. 2 into x. 2x means 2 into x. So just write the value of x here and this. 36 plus 8. This will be 54, 3 into 8, 18, 18 is 54. So 54 and 54. If both parts are equal, then we can say that the result has been verified. So just write LHS equal to RHS and verify. So this is the way to solve the question. Let us take more questions here. We will take now question number 6. Yes, just write down question number 6. 8x plus 4. Question number 6 here. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So at first we will find out the value of x here from this equation. So 8x plus 4 equal to this 3 will be multiplied to both x and as well as minus 1. So 3x minus 3 plus 7. X will be in the one side, so 3x will come here and 4 will go to that side. So minus 3 plus 7 minus 1. Just look here. If you transfer 3x into this side, it will be in the negative side. So 8x minus 3x, 4 will transfer to that side. So minus 3 plus 7 and minus 4. Now calculate 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x. Minus 3 minus 4. It will be minus 7 plus 7. So 5x equal to 0. So therefore x equal to 0 by 5. Equal to 0. So we got the value of x equal to 0. Now we will put this value. So LHS 8x plus 4. 8 into 0 plus 4. So 0 plus 4 equal to 4. RHS. This one 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So 3 into the value of x is what? 0. So 0 minus 1 plus 7. So 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 3 plus 7 equal to 4. You see, this value and this value is equal. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. Proved. Okay. So we have done 2 questions here. Just take more questions. Now we are going to take question number 8 here. Question number 8 is 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Okay, so how can we solve? Various methods are there, but we will take the traditional method. In this method we will take the number of x into the one side and the constant terms into the other side. In doing so, we can write 2x by 3 minus 7x upon 15 equal to 3 minus 1. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 15. LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. Just 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 to the 10. 10x. 15 divided 15 will give 1. 1 into 7 is 7. So this is 7x equal to 2. 10 minus 7 is 3x by 15 equal to 2. So 3x equal to 15 to the 30 by cross multiplication. Therefore value of x is 30 upon 3 and it is 10. So x equal to 10 answer. Now for the verification, let us write LHS. LHS is 2x by 3 plus 1. So put the value of x here. 2x means 2 into x, that is 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1. So 20 by 3 plus 1. Now LCM, this is 3. 20 plus 3, 23 by 3. Take the RHS now. RHS 7x by 15 plus 3. Put the value of x is 10 by 15 plus 3. You can cross the number here also, that it will be 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15. So 7 to the 14 by 3 plus 3. And after this, take the LCM. This will be 14 and this will be 9. 14 plus 9, 23 by 3. Now check it. Both the values are equal, so it is verified. LHS equal to RHS. Okay, we will take one more question now here. And this question is question number 10. All these questions are very basic questions. It is required for you to do these questions very carefully. Otherwise, this chapter will be very difficult for you. If you will understood this, chapter will be so easy. Question number 10 here. Vm equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Okay, same type of question. Take the m into one side. So 3m minus 5m equal to minus 8 by 5. Okay, calculate this. 3m minus 5m equal to minus 2m equal to minus 8 by 5. If you want to cross, you can cancel out the negative sign from the both sides. Now for the value of value of m, it will be 8 by 5 into 2. 2 4 is 8. So the m equal to, the value of m is 4 by 5. In the LHS, 3m. So 3 into 4 by 5, 12 by 5. In the right side, 5m minus 8 by 5. So 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. 5 and 5 is cancelled. 4 minus 8 by 5. Now we have to take the LCM. 1, 5, 4 is 20, 20 minus 8. It is 12 by 5. Just check. 12 by 5, 12 by 5 are equal. So LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so this is the system to solve the exercise 2.3. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you.